Is the meme coin season over? Are we starting to see the end of it all? Is Pepe truly going to make a comeback? We're going to talk about it in this video. I still, for one, am super bullish on meme coins. I still think there is a lot to come. And equally, I think Pepe will be at the forefront as Bitcoin is to the forefront of cryptocurrency. I'm going to tell you why in this video. So if that's something you like, you're bullish on crypto and you are loving meme season right now, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Drop a like on this video if you enjoy the content, and let's dive straight into it. So we'll take a quick look at the technical. We can see Pepe right now on the 4-hour chart is a upward trend. Now this is a different trend to where we've been. If you took it on the macro, obviously from the top of that all-time high pre-Binance listing, we have kind of come down quite a significant way. Now, again, it's all dependent on whether you believe long-term Pepe is going to be around. Is it the next Shiba Inu? Could it really replace Dogecoin? You've got to make your own decision up as to what that is. But in the short term, we are starting to see a bit of an upward trend, which is good to see when it comes to Pepe. We want to see this push back up to those 14.9 levels. Now, we do know that there is a little bit of money starting to flow back into the market. We saw about 10 billion come back in the last 24 hours, which is a good sentiment and a good sign to see. What we are seeing is a slight move up in Pepe, albeit though we're not seeing volume return. About 160 million on volume, down 12%, 146 million moving through those centralized exchanges. What is interesting is we are still, and I still talk about this, seeing these USDT pairings. We're not seeing anything paired with ETH. We're not seeing anything paired with XRP, anything other than just a basic USDT pairing. Now, if you're looking at regulation and you're seeing what, certainly here in the UK, they are restricting the easeability of purchasing USDT or just buying crypto using fiat. So we are starving the market a little bit right now. And I think this is where a couple of key parts when it comes to things like Pepe and particularly meme coins, if they want to be around for the long term, they have to continue to build. They have to launch on more exchanges. Currently sitting on 56 centralized exchanges right now for Pepe. We want to see that head up towards about 100. There's still some big players in the space that we are not listing. Obviously, Coinbase being the big one. Remember, I talked about this yesterday. It took months for Shiba Inu to get on Coinbase. So the best thing the Pepe army can do right now is continue to support, people uploading content, talking about Pepe, getting that social engagement out there, making sure that everybody is aware of Pepe, because ultimately that will keep volume returning to the market. Now, the Pepe team itself is continuing to work. What I would like to see from them is maybe some injection into liquidity, maybe doing something different, maybe promoting some marketing outside of community sentiment. We know the money's there. We've seen it with a number of other coins, whether that be Refund Coin, putting 100 ETH into their liquidity pool. I think we could see something different that just sparks a narrative that gets people talking once again about Pepe coin. But they are working in the background. We see another futures contract, the Kraken 100th linear perpetual futures contract is a Pepe contract, which I do think is interesting. Remember, Kraken being at the forefront of the SEC restrictions, but again, Pepe now being able to trade on futures on Kraken, as well as a number of other exchanges, OKX and MEXC, both of which there is links in the description if you want to go and check them out. Sign up if you trade futures. Doesn't cost you anything. It does support the channel, and you're going to get some fantastic trading fees as well as some great bonuses by using those links in the description. We also have a couple of more lesser known exchanges, and we see a crypto.com exchange listing on Pepe, again, USDT. So we are still seeing some of these big hitters come in for Coinbase, for crypto.com, for Pepe. We're still seeing that, which is a good sign in my indication. We just want to see volume move up. Again, this Pepe coin frenzy. Remember, this did kick off the absolute meme space market right now. This really was the forefront, and I do still believe, given 160 million is still outweighing even some of the big meme coins that are launching right now. But a lot of people right now are sitting on the fence. New investors, when they look for Pepe, is greeted with this. Inspired by famous meme Pepe the Frog, Pepe coin was created by an anonymous group of developers on the Ethereum blockchain, and it entered the market April 16th. Shortly afterwards, received a listing on Binance Innovation Zone, leading to a surge in Pepe's price reaching all-time high. Now remember that, let that sink in. It is listed on Binance as well as a number of other exchanges. So the subsequent days were not favorable for Pepe, and its value declined as time of writing Pepe coin was trading at that 501, reflecting a 5.8 decrease from the previous day, despite experiencing a significant 300% increase over the past 30 days. Whatever goes up has to come back down. Again, the important bit here is we continue to build. We see the volume. It is listed on Binance. Remember, Shiba Inu was on Binance for years before being taken out of that innovation zone. So it's not necessarily the worst thing in the world and it's super easy to go over to Binance to get it. For me, it's about continuing with volume, and it is about having an eye on what Coinbase is doing. Are they really going to list it? But at the same time, even if you were just to take a look at some of the exchanges out there that I still think Pepe could go and list on, there is still a number of big exchanges that absolutely have some big volume running through that could and should, in my opinion, list Pepe, even into some more of the lesser known ones for you and I, but certainly big in terms of maybe India or the Asian markets. There are some big ones out here that absolutely could be and should be aimed for listing Pepe. So there is still a ton to come. There is still a lot of opportunity out there. Like we said, the price is an upward trend. We'll keep you up to date with everything that is going on with Pepe. In order for you to do so, though, subscribe to the channel, turn that notification bell on, check out some of the links in the description if you want to grab yourself some Pepe or trade some other futures over on there. But we'll see. Time will tell with Pepe. Retail could come out this weekend. We could see a bullish sentiment. We're looking for 14,942 break and hold on Pepe. We could be in for a very good week. Let me know down below in the comments. Are you still bullish on Pepe? Or for you, has that ship sailed? And as ever, thank you all for the incredible support recently on the channel. I really do mean that. Thank you so much. And I'll see you all in the next one. Bye-bye.